Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Naeem. Today my topic is component of weeds and competitiveness. Crop weed competitiveness. Weeds appear much more adapted to agro ecosystem than our crop plants without interference by man. Weeds easily wipe out the crop plants. This is because of their competition for nutrient, moisture, light, and space, which are the principal factor of production of crops. Generally, an increase in 1 kilogram of weeds growth will decrease 1 kilogram of crop growth. Competition for nutrient. Weeds usually absorb mineral nutrient faster than many crop plants and accumulated in their tissues in relatively larger amount. Competition for moisture. In general, for producing equal amount of dry matter, weeds transpire more water than most of our crop plants. It becomes increasingly critical with increasing soil moisture stress and found in arid and semi-arid areas. As a rule, C4 plant utilize more water efficiently, resulting in more biomass per unit of water. Competition for light. It may comes very early in the crop season. If a dense weed growth smoother the crop seedling, it becomes important element for crop weed competition when moisture and nutrient are plentiful. In dry land agriculture, in years of normal rainfall, the crop weed competition is limited to nitrogen and light. Unlike competition for nutrient and moisture, once weeds shed a crop plants increase light intensity be cannot benefit it. Competition for space and carbon dioxide. Crop weed competition for space is the requirement of carbon dioxide, and competition may occur under extremely crowded plants community conditions. A more efficient utilization of carbon dioxide by C4 type weeds may contribute to their rapid growth over C3 type of crop. Effect of weed competition on crop growth. There are several competition for incompetitive effect on crop growth. Crop growth and yield is affected. Crop suffers from nutritional deficiency. Leaf area development is reduced. Yield attributes will be lowered. Reduce the water use by the crop. Affect the dry matter production. Lower the input response causes yield reductions. And last one is pest and disease induced will be more intense. Reduction in crop yield. We compete with crop plants for nutrient, soil moisture, space and sunlight. In general, an increase in 1 kilogram weeds growth corresponds to reduction in 1 kilogram of crop growth depending on type of weeds, intensity of infestations, period of infestation, the ability of to compete and climatic conditions. The losses are various. Loss in losses in crop quality. Crop quality is affected. Crop quality is affected by weeds. If a crop contains weed seeds, it is to be rejected, especially when the crop is grown for seeds. For example, the violet oat weeds are similar in size and shape of crop like barley, wheat, or mixture may lead to reduction for seed purpose. Last one, weeds a reservoir of pest and disease. Weeds from a part of a community of organisms in a given area. Consequently, they are food source for some animals and themselves susceptible to many pests and diseases. However, because of their close association with the crop, they may serve as an important reservoir or alternate host of pest and disease. Thank you very much.